Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? Welcome back to our in-depth analysis of Nvidia. We previously shared a report on our website on Thursday, November 30, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any developments that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has categorized Nvidia as a hold/accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.51. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Over the past 20 days, Nvidia has exceeded our expectations by demonstrating a remarkable gain of 7.5% since we initially recommended buying it. This equates to an average daily return of 0.38% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. Currently, the stock is in the midst of a gradual upward trend in the short term. This trend indicates a potential for further growth. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 6.22% change in the stock value over the next 3 months. However, it's important to note that the return could range between -5.85% and 15.23%. When considering the 12-month trend, there is a projected 227.48% change in the stock value over the next year. This means that the potential return could be between 207.5% and 277.04%. In terms of price, it could range from $1,438.20 to $1,763.42 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia brings an important headline: weaker technical forecast for Nvidia as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The Nvidia stock price experienced a decline of 2.85% on the last trading day, Thursday, November 30, 2023. It dropped from $481.40 to $467.70. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated 3.64% between a low of $464.22 and a high of $481.10. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a decrease of 4.33%. Although there was an increase in volume by 15 million shares on the last day, it coincided with falling prices. This could potentially indicate a cautionary sign, with a slight increase in risk expected over the next few days. In total, 50 million shares were bought and sold, accounting for approximately $23.40 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $505.48, while the lowest price was recorded at $138.84. Currently, the stock price stands at 7.47% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $37.78. It is essential to note that this highest price also serves as the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital upgraded Nvidia to outperform with a hold action. Wells Fargo also upgraded Nvidia to overweight with a hold action. KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia's stock. Currently, the short-term moving average is giving a sell signal, while the long-term average is indicating a buy signal. This means that there is a general buy signal for the stock as the short-term average is above the long-term average, providing a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $482.01. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $456.42. Breaking above the short-term average would send a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average would send a sell signal. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the stock's near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, and the stock has already fallen by -7.22%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume also rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign that should be closely monitored. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 8 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average also gave a sell signal 7 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 21 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average gave a sell signal just 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Let's talk about the support levels for Nvidia. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $439.38 and $421.96. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $439.38. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $421.96 and $403.26. It's important to consider the risk associated with this stock. Nvidia has average movements during the day in good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. In the last day, the stock moved $16.88 between its high and low, which accounts for 3.64% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.32%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's first review some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $3.76. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch is at $469.50. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this resistance level could be a consideration for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock is facing a downward trend, the first support level to pay attention to is at $439.38. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market and anticipate a rebound. The consensus rating for Nvidia, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 24, 2023, Dabri John sold 218 shares of common stock. On November 24, 2023, Stephens Mark A sold 280 shares of common stock. On November 27, 2023, Stephens Mark A sold 10,000 shares of common stock. On November 27, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 317 shares of common stock. On November 27, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 2,281 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations indicate a negative insider power ratio of -12.900. In total, insiders have purchased 391,576 shares and sold 500,507 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $444.80, which represents a decrease of 4.9%. This particular stock experiences medium daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk involved. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found 7 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia currently exhibits several negative signals, which suggests it may be a sell candidate. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it could also be considered as a hold candidate or even an opportunity to accumulate more shares while awaiting further development. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock, shifting from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, December 1st, we anticipate Nvidia to open up at $3.31 and start trading at $471.01. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Therefore, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on this stock. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your target for this stock? Let's engage in a discussion. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We hope you have a successful trading day ahead. Warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.